Same guitar, this time with the G system in the parallel loop, 100% wet, B95, I mean all bypassed. The volume of the guitar way down, okay, and this is the, again, channel 1, green mode, nothing, orange mode, nothing, red mode, sun noise. This is quite different. All those are quality cables, most of it TRS. Channel 2 in green mode, nothing, orange mode, nothing, red mode, mostly the same as without the unit. Channel 3, green mode, nothing, orange mode, we're talking here about 75 dBs of noise, 77, red mode, oh sorry, 84 dBs. This is the hottest channel, the OD2 in the JVM. Green mode, nothing, yellow mode, and this is red mode. And the only way of getting rid of this noise is to push the volume pedal way down, okay? Okay, and this is in master number 2. This is on a stage. The noise is incredible, and we are talking here about 80 dBs of noise. Okay. Again, the volume pot is way down, and the most curious is when I turn off the FX send and return, the burn is still there. So just because you have the G system, in the amp, even when I bypass the FX, the noise is still there. Okay?